Basa.
He likes to dive in.
Oh, very good. Next.
High feet.
Anong basa dito?
High.
Sige, na. Kikinig ako. Fu. Fu, tsaka u. Fl. Flies.
High.
Oh, very good. Ulit. 963.
Siya dive.
Ano to? Diretso ang pagbabasa.
The high has feet. Fly.
Sino ang nagsabing pwede kayong magbulungan? Naririnig ko. Ayoko naririnig. Mas malakas pa boses nyo kay Melvin.
The the high
Mabilis na. Kabisado mo na dapat yan.
the high to fly he.
Nak, kanina tama ka na. I lang ang tunog nito, di ba, pag IGH? Ito, I. Flies high. The kite flies high. Again.
The kite flies high.
Ag- Next.
I see the
Sige na.
I see the star in night.
Kapag may S, huwag niyong kalimutan.
I see the stars in night.
Very good.
The light is bright.
Very good.
The light,
Ano to?
light,
Ha?
light,
Very good. Ang tunog nito, house, house.
house. The lighthouse is shut.
Is, binasa mo pa lang yan kanina. Ha? Anong tunog ng IGH?
Hi. Hi. Do you see the do not fight? Do not fight. If a sunny day,
Poppy. Again.
the puppy has
Anak, huwag kayong maingay. Naiinggit sa inyo itong nagbabasa o gusto niya rin makipagdaldalan. Nahihiya siya sa inyo. Pwede manahimik? May ginagawa kayo o wala? Meron o wala? Meron. Kasama ang bibig? Alam nyo pala. Go. Kelly.
Kelly has his hat.
Is. Very good. Go.
The cloud is the
Mhm. Parang kanina ito, puppy. Ito naman. Very good. Ano yan?
funny.
Funny.
If you
Ano to? Have.
have
Ano basa dito? Ano basa?
have
Ano?
have you been a big
Ano basa dito? Pag baby, alam mo na alam, no? May tinatawagan kang baby, no?
Wala nga.
Basa. Ano basa dito? He. Help. Again. Uy, ulitin mo po yun. Basa ulit. Kailangan mo ulitin. Lahat. Simula dito. Anong hey? Basic sight word to. Kabisaduhin mo lang. Have.
Have. You. Be. Am.
Held.
Have. Happy.
Ulit. From the top.
It is a sunny day. The party is Kelly has the club is
Aha.
fun.
Anong basa dyan? Clown.
The clown is funny. Feel
Ayan ka na naman. Basic yan.
have you
Very good.
had a day? The baby he rolls the dice.
Again.
The baby cried.
Hindi ka ba umulit?
Hindi man. He rolls the dice. Dice. Her. Here are. Right. Right. The